Every year, 150 million pounds of materials from construction and demolition sites are dumped into our landfills. We're not just talking paper and canned goods. Everything from building materials to office furniture to construction waste are all hauled away and dropped in the local landfill. The process is not only dangerous for the environment, it's irresponsible as consumers and as corporate citizens. Fortunately, one company in Iowa is changing the process.
My name is Chris Reynolds. I'm the Vice President of Operations here at Phoenix Recycling. Phoenix Recycling is the only facility of its kind in the state of Iowa that offers the contractors here in the metro area the ability to dispose of their waste materials in a green manner.
Phoenix Recycling is a state-of-the-art center for waste disposal. Here, construction and demolition waste is dropped off just like at a landfill. But unlike the landfill, the material is disposed in this covered, environmentally controlled facility where the waste is taken, sorted, and recycled.
The material is not coming to Phoenix Recycling right now. Everything you see behind us would end up in the landfill. It would all be buried, covered, and it would sit there for hundreds of years more than likely, if not longer.
As an alternative, the team at Phoenix sorts the truckloads of materials. Some of the waste is processed and recycled, the other is turned into biomass to provide energy-efficient fuel for industrial use.
Our biomass product is utilized by ethanol plants, cement kilns, power generation facilities in order to reduce their carbon footprint by not burning as much coal.
We've been working with Phoenix for probably the last 3 to 4 years.
Jeff Carter is in charge of new business development with BFC Gas and Electric. His company found that taking in the waste that Phoenix collects actually helps generate additional revenue for BFC.
We take a wide variety of non-hazardous industrial wastes and convert them into steam. First of all, we convert it to gas, then to steam, and then to electricity, and we sell that to the grid. We typically take 1 to 2 truckloads a day of their material.
Material that would have otherwise gone directly to a landfill.
Today we're demolishing a house for a contractor, and they're going to put in a new building here.
Dan DiCarlo of DiCarlo Demolition in Des Moines also saw the business value in recycling versus waste.
When we first started this business in 1926, my grandfather owned it, and all they had was landfills. So they kept filling these holes, filling these holes, filling these holes. And when I got involved in the business in 2000, I looked for an alternative way to get rid of the material other than just filling a hole that someday they're going to have to deal with.
For DiCarlo, the idea of thinking green as a company was an easy choice, especially given the fact that using Phoenix Recycling turned out to be a way to save some green as well.
Phoenix is very cost effective. One, the location of Phoenix is closer than our local landfill. The second thing about Phoenix is we get in and get out quickly. You know, look at your fuel costs, look at your time, what your time's valued at, and then look at the tipping fee costs. For us, it's more cost effective to go to Phoenix. We can't keep putting stuff in a hole and just think it's going to go away. You know, we've got to do something with these materials.
And in return for using their services, Phoenix offers businesses something else, credits toward a LEED certification.
What that is the LEED program is the standard for sustainable building right now. Building contractors need to certify their process in order to get credit for building a green, sustainable facility or building. So we offer them a chance to get a couple points that they probably wouldn't get otherwise if it was just a landfill disposal option here in the metro.
The time is now. It's our responsibility. And Phoenix makes that responsibility an easy choice. A cost-effective, convenient, and environmentally responsible way to do your part for a cleaner, safer tomorrow. So go ahead, start saving time, money, and the environment. Phoenix Recycling Services, helping you do your part for a greener tomorrow.